pot is hot. The marijuana sector is growing tremendously. MassRoots is one of the leading technology platforms for the sector. We're going to hear from Dietrich, the founder and CEO. Isaac, welcome. So tell us about MassRoots.
Well, MassRoots is one of the largest and fastest growing technology platforms for the cannabis industry. We recently crossed 1 million users on our platform and currently are used by hundreds of cannabis-related businesses across the world.
Fantastic. So you're a technology company specifically focused on this cannabis industry. Tell me, are your users really active and engaged?
Yes, we have a very passionate, engaged user base of some of the most passionate consumers around the world. Really what we're focused on is enabling them to identify and review some of the best products in the cannabis industry. So this product works very good for headaches. This particular cream works good for back pain. And then we present this information in easy to use, actionable formats for everyday people to make their cannabis purchasing decisions.
And your MassRoots is based in Denver, Colorado. So Colorado is very favorable towards marijuana. Can you tell us a little, the medical marijuana, the recreational marijuana industry, how has that been growing in the United States?
So we're based out of Denver, Colorado. We have 24 full-time employees there, but we're available in any state in any country with a medical or recreational cannabis law. And we've really seen over the past few weeks how this is truly a global phenomenon. I mean, in Barcelona, there's hundreds of cannabis clubs. Germany recently legalized medical cannabis, and now in the United States, I think there's 28 states with some form of medical or recreational cannabis laws. And cannabis really is such an awesome, substance. It really can help with a wide variety of things, from epilepsy to pain management. So we're really excited to really delve into the medical benefits of cannabis.
That's fantastic. And you guys are a publicly traded company.
Correct. We're traded under the ticker MSRT. We have about 20,000 shareholders, and we've been able to raise over $15 million from the public markets, which has really given us the resources we need to build this into a global cannabis brand. So we're really excited about the future and to continue to scale our business.
Fantastic. I mean, as far as competition, are there other publicly traded technology companies like you?
No, there's not other publicly traded tech companies focused on the cannabis space, but there are some in the private markets that have valuations of $300 to $400 million. So we really think that our valuation is it has some upside if we're able to execute and continue to grow our revenues and continue to grow our user base. I really think that we can scale this quite significantly.
Fantastic. And Canada has been a very vibrant marijuana cannabis market as well. I know some of the Canadian companies have very, very high valuations, few over $1 billion valuations. Any plans to look up there in the future?
Well, we have tens of thousands of users in the Canadian market. It's growing quite substantially. It's about to go legal federally for recreational cannabis. We partnered with Aphria in the Canadian market. It's the second largest producer in Canada. They recently closed over $50 million in a bought offering, so they have substantial resources. And they actually are an investor in MassRoots. They invested back last fall. And we're very proud to be partnered with them on the Canadian market.
Fantastic. And in the United States, I understand there's even a National Marijuana Day coming up, huh?
Yes, 420 is the big marijuana holiday in the United States, April 20th. And all across the United States, there's so many festivals and so many people getting together to celebrate the benefits of this plant. Traditionally, you see a lot of media coverage about it. Dispensaries see the highest sales throughout the entire year in April. In other industries like retail, the highest sales are in November or December, but for the cannabis industry, it's April. So we're already starting to see the revenue starting to come in from the dispensaries. So we're planning a big user acquisition push going into 420 to hopefully help break this into the mainstream.
Fantastic. I mean, it's an incredible story. So how would viewers get more information, or if they wanted to go and check out the platform or the app?
So we're available in the App Store under MassRoots. MassRoots.com/investors has a lot of great information about the company, our history, our profile. And then there's been a lot of press out there. So, if you Google us, I'm sure you can find some great articles.
Isaac, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you very much for having me.
It's been a real pleasure, and we look forward to watching this story grow and evolve in the future. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Edward Carr, your host from the Global Biotech Network in conjunction with Dukascopy TV. Stay tuned for more future interviews.